Your Ford Ranger key fob, model years 2019-2024, relies on a CR2032 battery. When it dies, you can easily replace it yourself. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that's widely available. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually near the rubber cover or keychain slot. Gently pry the fob open using your tool. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the fob back together. That's it. A new battery typically costs under $5. Remember to recycle your old lithium battery at a designated center. After replacing the battery, if your key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery's polarity. Installing it upside down can cause issues. Also, avoid static electricity by touching a metal surface before you begin. While reprogramming is rarely needed with a success rate over 95%, it may be required if the fob remains unresponsive. In that case, you will have to visit a Ford dealer. Automotive experts like AAA recommend checking your key fob battery annually to avoid lockouts. While Ford is moving toward digital keys via the Ford Pass app, the traditional key fob is still standard for redundancy, and you may need it for years to come.